Hi, everybody. Welcome to the weekly preview. This is for the week of January 30th, 2023 to February 3rd, 2023. Some important announcements. Monday, I have office hours on the 30th from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. And then Friday on February 3rd, office hours again, 2:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. It's Q3, week 2. So Monday in live class, we will understand how families were impacted by the Great Depression with the key terms breadlines, Hoovervilles, Dust Bowl, and soap operas, with the lesson Life During the Great Depression. Tuesday, identify the impact of the Dust Bowl on farmers in the Midwest with the CYU struggles of the Great Depression. Wednesday, evaluate music and entertainment in the 1930s with the lesson Hoover Responds to the Depression. The key terms there are Boulder Dam, Reconstruction Finance Corporation, rugged individualism, and the Bonus Army. Thursday, we will analyze art and literature during the 1930s with the CYU Hoover's response. And then Friday, we will discuss how President Hoover reacted to the Great Depression with the Project CNN Student News Summary. Hope you have a great week. Let me know of any questions or concerns. Take care.